African Genna,
Fire artist.
simple cool voice there.
Zimbabwe to Jamaica.
So powerful and nothing don't start yet. Look how people full up in the party. Militant in a me full suit a car kill. Music to your brain, make your skin your warm peel. Hustle at them hustling for the car meal. Non-stop from them rise from morning.
Deep down Africa, where my hometown is. Everybody welcome to my motherland. Where we mix now ya bingy and the rappy sound. Roots and culture we follow a long time. Deep down Africa, where my hometown is. Everybody welcome to my motherland. Where we mix now ya bingy and the rappy sound. Roots and culture we follow a long time.
Africa, me say them just can't go round. Jamaica, me born, yes, big up, jam down. Africa, where the roots come from. Everything them run copy from the motherland. Watch along music in our blood. Melodies, words to the beat, to the sound. String up the big sound when we step in at the town. Everybody gather round in at the compound. Welcome.
Deep down Africa, where my hometown is. Everybody welcome to my motherland. Where we mix now ya bingy and the rappy sound. Roots and culture we follow a long time. Deep down Africa, where my hometown is. Everybody welcome to my motherland. Where we mix now ya bingy and the rappy sound. Roots and culture we follow a long time.
You know, no, we spread the love anywhere we go. All over the world, yeah. We shine the light in the dark. No evil, no left where we walk. We fling love in them heart. All when them a bite like a shark. Yeah, step out in a me Chris Clark's crepe. Bim. So powerful and nothing don't start yet. Look how people full up in the party. Militant in a me full suit a car kill. Music to your brain, make your skin your warm peel. Hustle at them hustling for the car meal. Non-stop from them rise from morning. African Genna.
Deep down Africa, where my hometown is. Everybody welcome to my motherland. Where we mix now ya bingy and the rappy sound. Roots and culture we follow a long time. Deep down Africa, where my hometown is. Everybody welcome to my motherland. Where we mix now ya bingy and the rappy sound. Roots and culture we follow a long time.